In this video, we will talk about Easy Hide Login plugin. It has 30,000 plus active installations as of now. Hi, my name is Pankaj Solanki and I am a WordPress developer from Kreativo Pro team. So this is the plugin. Let's install it. There are a lot of similar plugins with similar names. We will cover them one by one. But today let's talk about Easy Hide Login. Let's activate it. We can directly go to settings here. Let's ignore this pop-up. So once I come to the settings, I can see that only one option is available for free and all other options are premium. Let's talk about it. By default, WordPress uses this WP admin slug for logging in. For example, let's say I am a hacker and I want to hack Katy Perry's website. I can directly go here and add WP login here. Since she is using WordPress, this page will open up. Okay, next thing I can do is I can go to author equals to 1. Okay, they have disabled it, good for them. But if this page is opening, it is already a security threat. Okay, I can try something like admin and some random password. So basically this page should not open. So what we can do is we can go to random string generator, set it as 30 and use uppercase, lowercase and numeric and go to get strings. We can choose any of these strings and secure our login page. I can just save here. Okay, so if I log out now and I try WP admin again now, it will take me to the 404 error page. I can use wp login.php. It will again take me to this page. But if I use this, then I'll get to my login page. Okay, let's log in. I can go to Easy Hide Login again. Now, I would not recommend that you use this plugin because all security plugins come with this feature. Okay, so in upcoming videos I will talk about different security plugins and how you can use them to secure your website. For now, let's see what these options can do. So max login retries. If I enable this option, after 3 failed retries, the person will get blocked. If I use this option, I can use Google reCAPTCHA on the login page. Very useful. If I use this option, I can block all countries except my own country for logging in. Another very good feature. And I can also use this 2-factor authentication so that when I try to log in, it gives me OTP on my email. I can put that code here in the site and then only I can log in. So if a hacker knows my password, even in that case he cannot log in. So very useful feature. So if you only want to use this free plugin, then you can just use this option. But subscribe to our channel and see my upcoming videos. I will talk about security plugins and how you can fully secure your WordPress website for free. Even by using this only one option, your site will be a little bit more safe. So this is how you use Easy Hide Login plugin. Now that the tutorial is over, I have a free bonus for you. You can submit your website here and get our 75-point full website audit report. Our developers create this report manually. We check your website for speed, security, SEO, conversion, coding and design related issues. Once found, you can fix those issues to improve your SEO, build trust, get more traffic and convert them into paying customers. Thank you and I'll see you in my next video.